Hi, in this video I'll be going over how to use the Files tab of your Tomahawk content management system. So this is the area where you'd store any kind of images, Excel documents, PDFs, Word documents, MP3s, videos, any kind of files that you'll be storing on your website. Maybe you'll be using, the Creek picture on your home page or linking to the PDF on your contact us page. So essentially it's it's the storage area of your website. So we have a couple different functions that we can do here. You can add images or add documents. That's how you're going to get them off your computer onto your website. Create directory, essentially it's create a folder. You can of course add all your files into the same area, but if you have a lot of files, then when you go to say add one of your pictures to the home page, it's going to be possibly a little annoying to go and find, search through 5 pages to find your, say, forest.jpg picture. So that's where it's recommended that you do create folders with the directory feature, create directory feature. So I'll just show you how that works. So it's just simply like that, and then you have a folder that you can now add a bunch of images in, or documents, anything like that. You can of course have subfolders as well. So I have a little test folder here. You can see I have an image here, and then I can go into another folder, and I have a whole bunch more documents, and you can create more folders and more folders as much as you need for your organization. So when I go into a folder, actually, I was just using it here. When you're in a folder, you'll have basically this button right here. Just means back. Go back a folder or a directory. So if you need to get back to your main area of your website, so you'll see I'm in the main area. There's no back button anymore. So again, I'll just go into a folder, go into another subfolder, and then to get back, I can keep clicking the back or go up a folder button. Or you'll also see right here, this is actually showing you the directory you're in. So the more folders you go in, you'll have them here, and the first slash right here is actually the root of your files area. So if you click right there, it actually brings you back to the main area of where all your files are stored. So I'll show you how the add image and add document feature works in just a second. Resync right here, you most likely will not have to use this feature, but essentially if a file or a document or a folder isn't deleting for whatever reason, or you click remove and it just doesn't disappear, you can actually click the resync feature right here, or button, and it'll just refresh the files area. It'll make sure the server will basically check and see, did you remove that file or image, and then it'll get rid of it appropriately, but most likely you'll never have to use resync. So I guess I'll show you how to add, say, an image in this case. Alright, so this is just the uploader to our website. You'd click Browse, and then your computer would open up. So you have your desktop or C drive, or however many drives you have on your computer. So you just navigate to wherever, in this case, the images on your computer are. So I have them on my desktop in the Files folder, and then Sample Pictures. See here, there's a little preview function. So to select multiple, say, files, it doesn't have to be pictures, but to select multiple files at the same time, you can hold down the Control key on your keyboard, and then just simply click on the pictures that you want to upload, or the files, and that'll select multiple files. Or if you want, say we want to select all the pictures between penguins and desert, I can click on desert and hold down the Shift key, and then click on penguins, and it highlights everything between desert and penguins. So then at this point we have the files we want to upload to our website selected. I'll click open. Right here we're getting another chance to review the files. So say for whatever reason, the desert picture, okay, I didn't mean to add that one in there. Well, I can just click remove selected, and you'll see I have a list of files I still want to upload to the website, the size of them, where they're coming from, the date that they were modified. You can remove them all, or rotate left or right if they're in the wrong position. So at this point I'm going to click upload. And so it's just showing overall progress and the progress of the file. So in here my files area is going to refresh and add the pictures that I just uploaded. It would do the same thing for, say, PDFs or Word documents. They just don't show the picture, of course, because it's it could have multiple page document. And add documents is pretty much the exact same process, other than there's no preview function on the right here. So we've already went over create directory. Also right here you'll see there's a free CMS resources area. Essentially, if you click into it, you'll see there's a lot of files in here. Basically, you can use them, any kind of image or file you find in here, you can use for whatever purpose you want. But essentially, it's a bunch of free resources, like the name suggests, that you can go in, say icons, and search and see if any of them maybe are helpful on your website. And then select them if you want to add them on your website. And how to get back to your own content management system areas, you just click on your system resources, and you'll see I'm back to my normal area. Here you also see how many files you're using, how many directories, folders, and what your current limit is. And that's essentially the files area. If you need to add the images on a page or add the documents or create links, that would be in other videos, probably the list pages video. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.